What's up, YouTube fam? Steven from the Vargas team here again, bringing you another Miami property tour episode. So we just left from a closing, or I just left from a closing for my client who just purchased this property that I'm about to show you in just a few moments. And this property was actually purchased in the Shenandoah neighborhood. Now, for those of you who don't know the Shenandoah neighborhood, it's actually a small neighborhood close to Brickell. And what's really popular about this neighborhood, or why this neighborhood has become so popular, better said, is that over the years, people who buy condos and live that condo lifestyle in the downtown Brickell and Edgewater neighborhoods, at some point they grow out of that lifestyle. And so logically, if you still live in these areas and work in these areas, you start to ask yourself, what's the best option that I can get for a single family home within or in close proximity to where I'm currently at? And one of those options is Shenandoah. So over the years, Shenandoah has tremendously increased in value and price, and this property is no exception. So we're going to see this stunning 4-bedroom, 3-bath and a half remodeled home in Shenandoah that my client just picked up for $900,000. And this gives you a good snapshot and idea of what single family homes close to this area will actually give you. And what I really like about this property is that it has a detached cottage in the backyard, which serves as an in-laws quarter, which is, I don't need to tell you how convenient that is for in-laws and people who come over. It's like their own private little apartment. Super cool. But the whole house itself is just oozing with a lot of just remodels and modern touches rather, and it really looks cool in today's market. So I want to show it to you. But as always, before we get started with today's property tour, do me a favor and make sure you like this video to allow this content to spread to as many people as possible, and make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, so you become part of the Miami property tour community. And with that being said, that's it. Thank you so much. Let's get started. This house has tons of curb appeal. The large impact windows and doors, along with the colors used for the exterior roof and garage, give this home a more contemporary look, which matches, of course, the interior. And speaking of garages, this home has a 1-car garage and plenty of additional space on the driveway. Also does include the cottage in the back, which we will get to momentarily, but the mainstay of the house is very spacious with tons of natural light. The half bath is conveniently located in this section of the home, given the fact that this is where most of your guests will congregate, which then leads us into the master bedroom and master bath. Both bathrooms are very similar in design, with its standing glass enclosed showers and its quartz top vanity. Master bedroom does have a very large walk-in closet and also has a linen closet, which unfortunately I was not able to show you in this video, but that is located just outside of the master bedroom entrance. So all in all, there's plenty of space for storage. Now, one of my favorite features about this home is where we're headed to next. And if you're someone who has a big family or just friends that come and visit you from time to time, you may be in a tough position whereby on one hand, you want to be a good friend or host and receive them at your home. But on the other,